الھدی School System,
a name of quality education. Under the supervision of education experts,
we provide the certified and well-trained staff. We do health teacher training sessions. We do awareness sessions with parents about progress of their children. We maintain the best classroom environment through CCTV coverage. Sports and co-curricular activities held there where all the other educational activities perform. Every month, we do appreciate those students who performs the best. Grand prizes for achievers. A chain of schools in district Seyalkot. Visit our Facebook and YouTube channel by name الھدی School System.